What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Today we're headed out towards Tortilla Flat and out on the Apache Trail. Earlier today, I actually went up to North Scottsdale, shot some photos of the COVID flyby that the Luke Air Force Base, a couple of the companies there did. So there were 15 jets, a refueling jet. It was really cool. I'll include some photos here so you can see them. I didn't get any video, just being that I was focusing on photos, needed the zoom lens for that. Yeah, you'll see a time lapse of me driving out to Tortilla Flat. It's a beautiful drive. Just gonna head out there during sunset. It's about 5:30 tonight, and yeah, we'll head back probably after dark or as the sun is still setting. Enjoy. All right, first time ever having any issues with my Mavic Mini, but while I was up in the air, it was throwing an error for motor speed error. So now I brought it down and it told me to replace the propeller, so I'm gonna do that. So it gave me this error here. So motor speed error, and then it has this ESC beeping. So the Fly More kit does include more propellers as well as a screwdriver to do it. So I'm gonna swap that out and hope it resolves it. All right, I've got the propeller replaced. I only did one of them just to see if that fixes it. Otherwise, I'll replace the other one.
The home point has been updated.
So let's take off here. If I can do this one-handed.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Seems fine so far, so let's just see how it does, and hopefully it's fine. All right, just took the drone down. Looks like replacing that one prop did fix it, so I'm happy about that. And now hitting the road again. All right, we made it all the way down the dirt road. Car is filthy, but look at that sunset. Let's see. I got some pictures of it before it went behind the mountains, but this is absolutely one of my favorite spots in Arizona. Well worth the filthy car, and I'll show you guys some of the video and pictures I'll get from the drone here. All right, just got down the mountain there. And if you guys haven't figured me out by now, I don't mind getting my car dirty, but I hate having a dirty car. So before I head home tonight, I am gonna stop and get a car wash. I'll show you guys a little time lapse of that. And then I'll head home and wrap up tonight. All right, we made it home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of those scenic views. I know that's one of my favorite spots as far as scenic views go. It's a fun road to drive. You definitely have to go when it's a little bit lower traffic day. I don't like going out there on the weekends. It's just too many people and they just hold you up, even though I still got held up tonight, but whatever, it was fine. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below, subscribe for more videos, check out some of my past videos, and even if you know someone that's not really into Teslas, if you think they might like the scenic views of this drive, send them this video. Maybe they'll enjoy it. Maybe they'll enjoy some of the other videos. Who knows? Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.